Mia, dinner is on the table. Please put your phone away.
Just a second, Mom. I'm in the middle of a video.
No, Mia. You said 1 minute 10 minutes ago. Come to the table right now.
Fine. I'm coming.
Mia, you look tired. How much time did you spend on your phone today?
I'm not sure. Maybe 2 hours?
2 hours? No way! I saw you using it before school, after school, and even in the bathroom.
Be quiet, Leo. It's not that much. My friend Emma uses hers for 4 hours every day.
Mia, enough. 4 hours is way too much. For a girl your age, 1 hour is more than enough.
But Mom, it's not just for games. Mom, it's not just for games. I use it for homework. I have to check the class group chat.
You can check the group chat on my computer. You don't need a small screen for that.
But everyone in my class has a phone. I'm the only one with a time limit. It's so embarrassing.
Look, Mia, we are not saying no phone. We are not saying no phone. We are saying less phone. Your friends will always be there. We want you to enjoy real life.
Okay. Then how much time am I allowed to have?
We think 1 hour a day is fair. That is for games, social media, and videos. Homework time is different.
1 hour? That's so short. I can't even finish one level of my game.
Mia has a virtual farm. She needs a lot of time to feed her virtual cows.
Leo, shut up. It's a strategy game.
Mia, don't use that language at the table.
Sorry. But Leo is right about the farm. If I don't water my crops, they will die.
Well, you can water your crops in 20 minutes. Or maybe Leo can help you.
I want to help. I like the cows. Can I have a phone too?
Nice try, Leo. You are only 7. You can use Mia's farm, but no phone for you yet.
Okay. Maybe 1 hour is okay for weekdays. but can I have an extra 30 minutes on weekends? Please?
That sounds reasonable. 1.5 hours on Saturday and Sunday. Deal?
Deal.
Mia, look! My new dinosaur! It's a T-Rex. Do you want to play?
Leo, I'm 13. I don't play with dinosaurs anymore.
But this T-Rex is hungry. It wants to eat your phone.
Okay. Let me see it.
It's great to see you two playing together. No screens, just fun.
Mom, I have a question. Why don't you and Dad have a time limit?
Well, Mia, we use our phones for important things. I check my work emails, and Dad reads the daily news.
Huh? Mom!
But I saw you watching cooking videos for an hour yesterday.
Actually, you're right. Sometimes adults use their phones too much too.
And Dad, I saw a light in your bedroom late last night. Were you reading the news or playing a game?
Uh-oh. You caught me. I was playing a crossword puzzle. I broke the rule.
So, what is your punishment, Dad?
How about this? I will make my famous pancakes for everyone tomorrow morning.
That's not a punishment. You love pancakes. But okay, I'll take it.
Okay, let's make it official. These are the Mia family phone rules.
Can I write them? I want to make them look pretty.
Go ahead, Mia. Use the colorful markers.
Rule number 1. Rule number 1. 1 hour on weekdays, 90 minutes on weekends.
Rule number 2. No phones during meals. This includes Mom and Dad.
And rule number 3. No phones in the bathroom. It's gross.
Fine, Leo. I'll add that. No phones in the bathroom or the bedroom.
Rule number 4. At 8:30 p.m., all phones go to the charging station in the kitchen.
That is a strict rule. What happens if we break a rule?
If you break a rule, you lose your phone for the whole next day.
That is a strict rule.
It has to be strict to work, Mia. Are we all agreed?
Agreed. I'm going to watch Dad like a hawk.
Agreed. Can I have 10 more minutes tonight? I want to tell Emma about the new rules.
It's 8:25 p.m. You have 5 minutes. Then it goes to the kitchen.
Okay. Hey everyone. Having a phone is cool, but talking to my family is actually not bad. Try putting your phone down tonight. See you next time. Bye!